Cath Acqua is a product from Samtronic Intermittent Catheter line, indicated for adult and pediatric use. Before starting the procedure, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Stick the catheter package's adhesive to a flat surface. Then, pull down on the tab to expose the catheter. It has a hydrophilic coating that facilitates insertion, reduces friction, and features a rounded, atraumatic tip for greater comfort and safety, along with bilateral eyelets for better urine flow. Remove the catheter from the packaging, being careful not to touch the tip. After intimate hygiene, gently spread the labia majora and minora with one hand to expose the urethra. Hold the catheter by the grip. Carefully insert the catheter into the urethra. If needed, use a mirror for better visualization. Insert until urine begins to flow. Wait until the bladder is completely emptied. Slowly and carefully remove the catheter. Cover the catheter and dispose of the entire set in the trash. Wash your hands again. The catheter is available in sizes from 8 to 18 French, in male, female, and pediatric models. Cath Acqua offers different tips to suit each patient's needs: Nelaton, Tiamon, or Flex. Use a new sterile catheter for each procedure to prevent infections. If you experience pain, resistance, or unusual discomfort, stop the procedure and consult a healthcare professional. For questions or support, contact us through our service channels. Thank you for choosing Samtronic products. Your comfort and safety are our priority.